Hello lovely people of YouTube, how are you today? Today we are going to make this very pretty and simple and minimalistic beaded edge. This could be used as an anklet or a bracelet or whatever your heart desires. We are going to use the bamboo handle pony crochet hooks and a needle to thread the beads inside this yarn, and our new addition to our pony shop, these are the new pony scissors. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with this white yarn. I have done a little work that I have got this yarn inside this needle. This is pony black chenille needle, and I chose this because this has a slightly bigger eye, so my yarn could pass through easily. I have made use of a needle threader to thread this, and I'm simply putting some beads inside this. I have chosen this very minimalistic black and white bead combination. I want to get in about 30 beads. So before you do this threading of needle, just make sure your bead passes through the needle, otherwise it will get stuck at the eye of the needle. So once you have all your beads in, we can simply remove the needle and place it back with the set. Then I'm going to use this bamboo handle crochet hook. This is luxury kit from Pony. I had this for quite a while. There are hooks ranging from 2 mm to 4 mm in this, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5 and 4. So I am going to select the 3 mm hook, which I've kept here. So to start with, let's make a base stitch. Let's tighten this up. And let's make a chain 2. Now let's go back in the first chain and do a single crochet. Then I'm going to slide one of these beads to the top, like so, and do a chain 1. Then I'm going to turn this bead towards the back and go back into this chain 1 space just before the bead and do a single crochet over there. Again, I'm going to slide 1 bead and do a chain 1. Turn this, and if you see a space here where I have done the bead, I'm going to place my needle inside that space and do a single crochet. Do a chain 1. Turn it, and in this space do a single crochet. Slide in a bead, chain 1, turn in the bead space, do a single crochet. This is the basic structure. We will do as much length as we want with the same structure. Let me do a quick row of the camera and show you the results. Now I have finished all the beads and we have reached the end of the row. We can use it as it is. I'm going to crochet just one more row here. Let me show you how. I'm going to do a chain 2. This chain 2 is representative of a double crochet. Then I'm going to do chain 2 once again. This is for the chain 2 space. Then I'm going to do a double crochet in second bead space right here. Once again, I'll do chain 2 and then a double crochet in the bead space here, next bead space. I'm going to continue doing that just to get additional row above here. This is how it will look. Let me complete the entire row. This is a very easy and beginner friendly beading project with crochet. Once you reach to the end, let's do chain 2 and do a double crochet in the last chain space. Tie it off. So to tie it off, I'm going to cut fairly long tail, pass it through this loop and tighten it. That's it. This can be used as a bracelet, as an anklet, or whatever you desire. You can use this as the hem of your skirt or sleeve or whatever else you want to do with it. Please do not forget to share your creations with us. Use different color combination, different beads. Be creative. Do let us know what you want us to make next. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video with your friends and family. And that's it. Bye bye. See you next time.